morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Hafiz Abolade, well known as Aramide's son. If you are watching this program for the first time, please consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you turn your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. If you need more of my video, you are free to watch my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help you for spiritual tips. Welcome to my channel. In short, what I would like to share with you people today is how to protect ourselves against snake bites. How to protect ourselves against snake bites. Protect your family. Protect yourself against snake bites. If you are watching this program for the first time, please don't forget to share this program, drop your comments, and like it. If you are subscribed, make sure you turn your notification bell. Whenever I upload to this channel, you will be the first person to watch my program. Please subscribe. How to do it? If you do this thing, you can catch snake like snail. If you this thing, you have this thing on your body, you can catch snake like snail. You can catch snake like snail. This is what we do. What we are going to use, go and look for cotton wool seed. This is the cotton wool, unmature cotton wool seed, the one that is not open his mouth. You go and look for the one that is not open his mouth. This is the cotton wool seed. This is the cotton wool seed. This is the cotton wool seed, the one that is not open his mouth. Go and look for this one. This one is mature. You don't need this one. Go and look for this one, the one that is not open his mouth. Go and look for it. And one complete alligator pepper. One complete alligator pepper. Look for native pot. Put this seed, only one seed, this seed. Put it inside one pot, native pot, and one complete alligator pepper. Put cotton wool seed, this one, the one that is not open mouth. Look for this one, and one complete alligator pepper. Burn it, let it turn to charcoal. Grind it very well. Look for razor blade. Put incision for your hand like this, your two hands and your leg. Put incision your hand and your leg. That is it. It's small, but it's mighty. If you have this thing on your body, you can catch snake like snail. That is it. Ẹ káàbọ̀ lé lóko lẹ́yìn òjijì ibi tó wájà àtàkùn ètò ìbá fẹ́ dé. Orúkọ mi ni Dr. Hafiz Abolade, tí ẹ ti mọ̀ bí ẹni tó mowó. Ojú tí ẹ fi ń wò mí ojú náà ní fọ́. Etí tí ẹ fi ń gbọ́ mi náà ní ìbànújẹ́ ó kéré ó tóbi. Èmi wọlé báyìí ní àtìyín. Ògbòdò ayé òní fún àjò. Kí ni ìfẹ́ tí mo fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀ fún wa lónìí? Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ẹ jẹ́ ká dáàbò bo ara wa. Ẹ jẹ́ ká dáàbò bo àwọn ọmọ wa. Nítorí pé Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí a rí ogun ejò. Pàápàá jùlọ àwọn táyà ṣe wà nínú news site. Àwọn irú ìpèníjà àwọn nǹkan báyìí. Nǹkan tí a lè ṣe fúnra wa ni ẹ ká gbìyànjú ẹ̀ kí a ṣe fún ara wa. Bá mi wá èso kóró òwú tí kò tíì lanu, ìyẹn eléyìí tí kò tíì lanu. Ẹ bá mi wá. Eléyìí tí lanu, a nílò eléyìí, a fẹ́ eléyìí, ẹ sọ́nù. Eléyìí nìkan ni a fẹ́. Eléyìí nìkan ni a fẹ́. Ẹ bá mi jó pẹ̀lú odidi atare kan. Ẹ bá ti jó, ẹ bá mi wá abẹfẹ́lẹ́ tí a mọ̀ sí blade. ẹ̀sìn gbẹ́rẹ́ yíká ọwọ́ wa méjèèjì, ẹ̀sìn àti yíká ẹsẹ̀ wa méjèèjì. Pẹ̀lú ògo Ọlọ́run tí iṣẹ́ bá wà lára wa, ejò ní yanu ẹ̀ kó fi sọ wá bí ògo ṣe ń jẹ́ ti Elédùmarè. Tá bá níṣẹ́ yìí lọ́wọ́, a lè mú ejò bí ìgbà tá bá mú ìgbín, bí ó ṣe jẹ́ nìyẹn. Ojú tí ẹ fi ń wò mí ojú náà ní fọ́, etí tí ẹ fi ń gbọ́ mi sí náà ní di. Ìbànújẹ́ ó kéré ó tóbi kò ní wọlé báyìí ní àti yín. Gbogbo ayé ò nílù fún wa jó. A ní sìnkú aya, a ní sìnkú ọmọ, a ní dẹni akọlẹ̀. Ire o, ó dìwọ̀ bí ọjọ́rọ̀.